Welcome all of you to my channel.
I have made some very easy to draw. Please follow my instruction. So get ready to draw. Okay guys, enjoy this video. This is not a boring art. Please follow me. Something is difficult, but don't worry, guys. If you try this more time, then you can do this. Please like to follow me. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye guys.